Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching us from. My name is Irene and this is Hairy Lifestyle. Thank you for joining me today. Here at Hairy Lifestyle, we are all about making life simple, affordable, and healthy. So if those are things that you're interested in, please feel free to subscribe to this channel. Share this channel with all your friends as we talk about healthy things and how to lead a healthy life. Go ahead and turn on your notifications so that every time I post a video, you're the first one to be notified. Thank you. Karibuni sana. Today, I'm continuing to hang out with Beldina. Beldina is from Beldina Delicacies on YouTube.
Yeah.
This lady, by the way, you guys, one day I'll bring you her story. She's a businesswoman. She's a social media marketer.
Yeah.
She's a teacher.
Yes.
You wear many hats.
Yeah.
Karibu kwangu.
Asante sana, Irene. I'm so happy to be here today, guys. We are doing healthy lifestyle. Yeah? Healthy lifestyle. With Hairy Lifestyle.
So today we have a very simple recipe for you. Mangoes. It's mango season. So when mangoes are in season, when any fruit is in season, that is the time to take advantage and enjoy
Make
it.
as many smoothies as you can.
Make as many smoothies as you can.
Yeah.
If you buy mangoes and they ripen up too much, cut them up, put them in your freezer, they'll come in handy when you need to make a smoothie.
Awesome.
Yeah. Now, one thing I've noticed, every time you make a smoothie with any fruit, let's say you're using mango or you take mango juice on its own, carrot on its own. I find like azikuangi poa sana.
Yeah.
There's something that is lacking.
Exactly. We need to blend plus the additional nutrients.
Something additional, So in this video, we are going to show you 3 variations of how I do my mango smoothie. I usually do this smoothie for my kids. I may not be a big drinker or eater of this, but my kids, wakitoka shule, this is the first thing they want to take.
Wow, nice.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
So for this video, we are going to do mango. The first smoothie, we are just going to use, I hope you can see this, raspberries and ginger. Ginger is what we are going to use to cut through that taste of the mango and to give it depth. Yeah. And in all our smoothies, we are definitely going to use natural yogurt. Hakuna kuongeza sukari hapa, by the way. So this is natural and sweetened. Haina sukari. The other smoothie we are going to make, we are going to use raspberries and mint. I have a child who loves all things mint. Kikula ice cream lazima iwe mint. Kama ni keki, chocolate mint and all that. She just loves mint. So I'm going to make that one for her.
Well catered for.
Yeah. Then the third one, I'm making raspberries and orange. So here I have squeezed orange juice.
Fresh orange
juice. And before I squeeze the orange juice, I make sure to get myself some orange zest. Yeah. You can either zest it. Na kama uko kama mimi, I prefer to use a peeler. I just peel the top layer and cut it into small pieces. I find that much easier for me. Yeah.
This is nice. So we're going to have variety, guys. It's mango smoothie but made in mango mint smoothie, mango ginger smoothie, mango orange smoothie.
Yeah, and I think we should say mango strawberry. Mango raspberry ginger, mango raspberry mint, and mango raspberry orange. Yeah. Another 2 ingredients we are going to use. I have some water here, as you can see. If the smoothie is too thick, then I can add some water. You add just the amount that you need because we have yogurt and we majimo.
Exactly.
I have a secret ingredient here called Himalayan pink salt. You know, people find it weird that I put just a touch of salt in my smoothies, but you know, the way when you eat mangoes, you want to eat them with pili and like a salt. Salt is known to bring out the sweet taste in food. That's why sugar, sweet and salt go together nicely. So we'll just add a little pinch because we're just making a glass each.
Awesome. I can't wait to taste it.
Can't wait to taste this. Okay. Sawa. We'll start with.
First, we start with what?
We'll just start with our mango, raspberry and ginger. I have my piece of ginger here. It's gone in there. I'll just take a few pieces of mango and add to this. You want to use very ripe mangoes. Actually, if you can get the mangoes zenye zimeiva kabisa, if you go to the market, sorry, and you ask them to give you mangoes for making juice, watakupatia zile zimeiva kabisa.
And you find they're even affordable.
They're even cheaper, by the way, because it's not like they at their prime. Zimeanza kuiva sana.
Awesome.
So there I'm putting
The
a few
natural
spoons of natural yogurt. No sweetener in this.
Awesome.
That should be just about enough.
And now the secret ingredient.
The secret ingredient. Mimi sipendi kupima vitu. I like when cooking is an art and not a science.
Yeah, exactly.
Where I can just eyeball things. So just a little bit of that. I think this will need some water, but just a little. Guys, I'm making a mess. Please forgive me. And yeah, our first one is ready to go.
Nice, it's nice. It's that easy, and we have
that
mango,
easy,
ginger,
it's that
raspberry
simple.
juice.
Let me take this
Smoothie.
one that fell down.
Yeah.
We're ready to put this in a glass.
Our smoothie is
Our
ready.
smoothie is ready.
And looking
This
all
is
great.
mango,
raspberry, ginger.
raspberry, ginger.
Yeah.
We'll come
So
to taste
it
later.
aside,
We'll
yeah.
put that aside.
Now the next one is going to be mango, mint, and mango, raspberry, and mint smoothie.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and our mangoes are in. Our natural yogurt.
Like tumesema ni art, we don't specify how many spoons need to go there.
I've put about 3. You know, it depends on how much you're trying to make.
Yeah.
I just want to make like a glass or 2. So I just put about 3 spoons.
Okay.
Yeah. Our raspberries and our mint. Mint is very strong, so we're just going to use a few leaves. At a moment,
Yeah, mint is usually very, very strong.
It's very strong.
Yeah. And then now,
better. I didn't pour.
And you can even use a strawberry instead of, you can replace the strawberries with the berries.
Yes, you can use raspberries, you can use strawberries, you can use blueberries. The good thing about berries, because in this channel we are all about health, they are very good with antioxidants, but they are low in sugar. So they have high fiber, high antioxidants, low sugar, and low calories, so you can take those easily.
Nice.
So you don't want to mix very high sugar fruits. Mingi sana utakuwa take a lot of sugar. So my secret ingredient is just a touch of salt. Let's get that blended. There you go. You can smell the mint.
I know.
And then also you have
so
those
nice
two green specks of the mint.
And again, the mint of course comes with its own share of health benefits and
properties. You can see the mint. I think you can smell it.
I know
as well.
Smell it so nice. Awesome, guys.
Second one done.
Now we're doing the last one,
Now we're doing the last one.
So mango, raspberry, orange juice.
You said that you think that will be your best,
Yes, I love
you
orange.
love orange.
So
in this one, I just
use actually, I've never taken any smoothie with a ginger.
What?
Yes. So I can't wait to taste to sample.
If you've not taken smoothie with ginger, have you lived, Beldina? Have you lived?
I love my tea always with ginger, but I've never thought of having it in my smoothies.
Oh, okay.
But again, I'm not a smoothie person per se, but I'm really from today onwards, I'm adopting that health lifestyle. Tukichanganya na keki hapa na pale, tunasonga.
By the way, it doesn't mean you can't have all those things. The important thing is to have balance.
Moderation.
Exactly. It's all about moderation. Ni vile watu wengine kama
Mm.
mimi, I don't know moderation. Kula keki na kula yote, kesi baadaye.
Smoothies it a detox baadaye.
So imagine. So but you can have everything in moderation. I'm adding just a bit of salt. We've added everything into the blender. So all we are left to do is
just
blend away. I've taken a bit of time to blend this one so that the orange peel, the ring can blend in very well. I don't want you to, when you're drinking it,
then you feel
unakutana na ka orange hapo, and then you don't enjoy the taste of it.
Wow, now guys, we have our smoothies already. Mine is just sampling and telling you how
they
taste. Yeah.
Utuambie ukweli.
Yes, I will, of course. So we start with the ginger. Actually, I've never taken a ginger smoothie, guys.
That's
Irene
ginger
is asking
one,
whether I'm in this country. Yes, this is ginger one.
I relax or something.
Wow. It's amazing. Amazing.
It has some depth, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah, I know. It's not just plain mango.
This is the way I love my ginger tea. No, my next is ginger smoothie. Kutembea kwingi ni kujua mengi. Yes.
And then it's also not very sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, the sukari is not a lot.
And I can enjoy. You know, for me and sugar, we are inseparable. But this one we didn't add any sugar, but it's amazing. Yeah.
It's still enjoyable. So this is what I like giving my kids when they come from school. This was mint. I can just see the mint in it.
Yeah, that's mint.
Hey, it's something here too. Tuna need to upgrade.
I know.
The mint is there.
The mint is amazing.
The mint is there.
And you see now, because of these extra ingredients, you're getting a new taste and new flavor in each one of them.
Yeah.
So today when you make one with ginger, the other one with the mint, the other one with orange.
Yeah. Even your kids will not get bored.
Yeah.
So it's good to have ideas on how to do your mango. So this is the orange one. This is the one Beldina wanted.
Me and orange.
Yeah. Wow. The orange is there.
Amazing. Gold. Life is here, guys.
My only goal left is to get a more powerful blender so that everything blends properly and nicely.
More powerful than that. I feel it's already blended so well.
You like it this way? When I get that powerful blender, I'll call you. We do another cake.
Which one is that?
Some commercial blenders that you'll find, although now at least they're available in Kenya. There are some commercial blenders. I think we'll just insert a picture here just to show you what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
It's hard to explain, but I know there are several brands in Kenya. Wow.
It's nice, guys. This is amazing.
Orange iko.
Perfect.
So you really like?
Yes.
You've enjoyed them?
Absolutely.
Good.
Yes, now guys, we've really enjoyed, I've really enjoyed watching how these smoothies are being done, and to crown it, the taste. All of them taste amazing. They are amazing. This is something you can simply do it at home and you will enjoy. Thank you so much, Irene, for taking us through this. Our lifestyle is changing to a better, healthy lifestyle. Thank you so much. Yeah.
And thank you for visiting me. It's been such an amazing experience creating content with you. And actually just working with you online. You've been a great friend. Umenisaidia to grow in this journey.
We help each other, we support each other, complementing each other, guys. Is what we are doing here. Please, and remember, Irene's YouTube channel, it's Hairy Lifestyle. Hairy Lifestyle, guys, tuende uko tumwagike, tumsupport and help her grow her channel. She's doing amazing stuff. She's changing our lives. Personally, my life has been changed since I started following her. So I want yours also to be changed. Please follow her and subscribe to her channel.
Beldina is doing a good job also online. You just hit 25,000 subscribers on YouTube.
Yeah.
Goals, my friend. When I grow up, I want to be like you. So guys, continue supporting Beldina, supporting me. We are so glad to have done this content together, to have done these smoothies together and share our different experiences in life.
Yeah.
Asanteni sana. It's been so good hanging out with you. We'll see you in our next videos.
Yes. So actually we are still doing more content. We'll be collaborating more and more. Yeah. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember to leave a like or a comment. Once you try these smoothies, comment on my channel, on Irene's channel, and tell us which one did you like most, how are you benefiting from our channels, and we will be glad to work with you and to bring more and more great content. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, see you. Bye.
Bye-bye.